there for poultry farmers. Now, hospitality industry players at the coast are banking on the completion of refurbishment of the century-old 9-hole Mombasa Golf Course to boost tourism activities. The coast that is renowned for its beach and cultural attraction aims to diversify into sport tourism that is gaining traction.
The beach and cultural attractions along the coast draws hundreds of thousands of tourists yearly, making tourism the coastal region's main economic activity. The 20 million shillings refurbishment of the 111-year-old 9-hole Mombasa Golf Course is expected to further boost tourist activities, leveraging on uptake of sporting activities.
Cost us in the region of 10 million, and it is done. It's completed. That's why we're launching it today.
But we are looking at the next phase to automate the irrigation system, which all golf courses are moving towards.
The course has been undergoing a number of redevelopment projects over the years, with the latest being the installation of an irrigation system to water the grass.
Tunataka kuingia phase 2 ya hii project ambayo itakuwa ni desalination project.
Once complete, the golf course overlooking the Kilindini Channel, connecting to the port of Mombasa, will offer scenic views to golf lovers. The Mombasa Golf Course is strategically situated along the iconic Mamangena Waterfront Park and is among a top 100 historical sites gazetted by the National Museums of Kenya. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.